friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel Mehaf Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up a VPN application, Mehaf VPN. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and don't forget to like the tutorial. So first and foremost, you're going to open our Google Play Store like this, and then once you open your Google Play Store, you're going to download this application from Google Play Store, because once you don't download this application from Google Play Store and get it from unknown sources, it will fail automatically to connect. So I recommend you guys to use Google Play Store while downloading this application. It is a new VPN application called Mehaf VPN. So download this application in your device, and then once you download this application, open the application in your device. So make sure that you are using the latest update. If you have been using this application previously, kindly update the application, because right now there are new servers that will be working in all the countries to provide you with a secure internet. So I'm going to open, and then once you open, I'm going to allow all the required permissions, and keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service provider terms and conditions, and the community guidance. So first and foremost, I'm going to come right here down where you see this option of updating right here down. Choose that option to update the servers, and choose the online method. You're going to choose the online method and wait for a few seconds for this application to update the servers, because once we don't update, it won't connect. So give it some few seconds to update those servers, and then after, you're going to come right here where you see auto select server right here. It is the second last step. So you're going to choose a server that is from your country's location, or that is near to your country's location. Once you choose that server, but once you don't see your server, you're going to keep in the auto select server, and then also you're going to come where you see a dialect, that is a dialect, and then you're going to come, and then you're going to switch from recommended to all countries, and then you're going to scroll and look for your country's server. Alternatively, I'm going to be showing you a fastest server that will be working in all countries. So we're going to come right here where you see a dialect, and then we're going to come and switch to all countries. Then we are going to come in your search bar, and then we're going to type in UDP. You'll be seeing all UDP servers right here, but I recommend you to choose the last one. We're going to turn airplane mode on and then off, and then we're going to press the start button. By pressing the start button, we're going to wait for a few seconds for this to connect. It will connect successfully. As you see, mine has connected. When yours fails to connect, kindly allow me know in the comment section. But you can also troubleshoot it yourself by turning airplane mode on and then off, clear the update, clear the app, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. Mehaf Tech, I sign out.